Hey, it's Blessed Gold, and you are now listening to Take the Lead. I always wanted to do that, y'all. But thank you for watching. I am back with another video, and this is going to be a makeup video. I don't really know exactly what I was going for, but I'm like, it's Halloween or the day before Halloween, so I think we're gonna go with more of like a Halloween theme. It's not gonna be like creepy or anything, but it's gonna be a little bit more abstract than what I would usually do. So right now I'm just doing my brows. I don't really do too much anymore with my brows. I just kind of keep it simple and keep it more natural. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just kind of going in and then I'm smoothing it out. So yeah, I don't try to do too much with the brows anymore because I mean, you really shouldn't have to do too much with it. But as you can see, it's lit. So I have actually tried a different method for concealing. I decided to use makeup instead of concealer because what I noticed is that concealer is just a little bit thicker than the foundation that I use. And just to make it easier for smoothing, for me, I just decided to use the foundation and just kind of go around my brows with it. And honestly, I think it's working better for me so far. But if you have any tips on how to conceal your eyebrows without having that thick residue that you have to blend out, leave a comment below. Let me know. So y'all, I'm going in with this eyeshadow, and y'all, I absolutely love this eyeshadow. It just blends so well, and I love how the color is on my eye. I'm gonna leave the link to the eyeshadow that I'm using in the description of this video, y'all. But yeah, I started out with a dark color, and I'll also make sure I pin that to this video, which colors I'm using. But yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm just kind of like playing around. Well, I wouldn't say playing around, but like just blending out, because like I said, at this point I really didn't know what I was going for or what type of look. And I just was like, let's just go with the flow. And red is, the color I was definitely going for, red, but just, still trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I always do that a lot with my makeup. I'll be like, what am I going to do? Like, and then I end up making a nice little look. And that's what happened with this look. So I'm blending it out a little bit more with this red. And y'all, do y'all see the background though? Like, check out the flowers, my background. Like, that's not real flowers. I know it looked like it, but it's not, y'all. I'm gonna link y'all to that backdrop so y'all can get like me, because literally I only paid about $16 for it on Amazon. Y'all, it's literally the best investment so far, and the pricing was amazing. Like I said, $16. Like, you really can't beat that. So I went in with this I Can Be palette paint, and this is like the second time I've used this palette paint. I'm kind of using it for like a concealer type of thing, but I like want the white, so I don't know, like I'm still learning how to use the paint, so don't go ham on me. But if you got some tips or some ideas of how to use the palette paint, let me know below, because like I really want to start using this more, but I feel like I don't know exactly how to use it as far as like eyeshadow wise and using it for my eyes. But yeah, y'all, this is the white, and I also leave the link to this particular palette paint as well in the comments so y'all can check it out, because I think this one was only like about $20. But I'll leave it in the comments below and in the description so you can know. And then yeah, right here I was kind of getting nervous because I was like, yo, what are you doing? Like, I don't know what I was doing, but I was like, you know what, it's already done, because once you put black on there, like, it's literally no going back. Like, there's no going back. You just gonna have to start over. So I was like, you know what, we just gonna go with the flow. And honestly, I really think it was turning out pretty good. Like, I had to take my time with it. The last time I've actually used this palette paint, I used the wrong brushes to do what I was trying to do. So I said, let me just try to find something that's a little bit more smoother so that when I'm putting it on, it kind of like helps blend and just, you know, assists me a little bit, especially since I really don't know how to use this type of paint yet. But y'all, I mean, I think it's looking good so far. But you know, that's me. If you got any tips, let me know in the comments below because I'm all for it. I'm about to be back on YouTube, posting a lot of makeup videos and trying a lot of different things. And honestly, I'm super excited. I just, you know, I like trying different things and then experimenting and seeing what I can do. Because it's always fun, right? So y'all, I kind of went back into like lighting that back up because a little bit of that red eyeshadow kind of got over on the white and was turning it pink, and I didn't really want the pink right there. I wanted that to be white. So yeah, I blended that out. And then right here, as you can see, I'm starting to like bring the black paint and kind of making it like an eyeliner, which honestly, it was pretty cool. Like, and then I went back in with the red just to kind of make it pop out a little bit more, because when you use the paint, like for some reason it was kind of like a little bit not oily, but like I guess it was kind of oily. So I wanted to put that powder back on there so that it was not blending over. So now I'm going in with this eyeshadow, and it's also from the palette that I'm using, and it's like a glitter type of eyeshadow but black, and I did that to kind of make the look not be so oily, and actually kind of worked. And y'all, don't mind me because like I don't have like the fancy terminology. Like, y'all gonna get the raw real deal from me. Like, I'm not about to be saying words I don't understand. Like, hey, it is what it is. But I went in with this concealer. I did use concealer for this part just so that I could lighten it up just around like my cheekbones. And y'all, it's gonna be lit, y'all. Like, come on now, look at me. I did go ahead and try to conceal and did like some contour type of thing. I'm still learning how to do that, like, you know. So if you got some tips, let your girl know. So right here, y'all, I was like, I think I'm gonna add on some like jewels. This is literally my first time doing it. Like, honestly, I really didn't know what I was doing, but I was like, we finna go for it. So if you got some tips, let me know. These lashes, I got these from Amazon too. Like, your girl loves Amazon for real. So this is how it ended up turning out, y'all. Like, I'm so excited. And y'all, I got this jacket from Walmart. Like, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. I've put all the links to everything in this video. Thank you for watching.